In the early 20th century, Max Planck, the father of quantum theory, made a statement that still reverberates beyond the confines of physics. I regard consciousness as fundamental. I regard matter as derivative from consciousness. We cannot get behind consciousness. To many, these are startling words from a scientist whose legacy helped usher in the modern technological age. But for those acquainted with the world's mystical traditions, Planck's intuition feels strangely familiar. Behind the equations and atomic structures, he perceived not inert material, but a living intelligence, what he called a conscious and intelligent mind, the matrix of all matter. This idea, that spirit precedes matter, is ancient. In the Upanishads of India, Atman, the inner self or spirit, is said to be the root of all things, while in Christian mysticism, figures like Meister Eckhart and St. John of the Cross point toward a divine ground beyond form, from which the material world springs. The Hermetic axiom, as above, so below, suggests that the visible world is a shadow of higher, invisible realities. Planck, as a man of both science and faith, found himself at the threshold between two ways of knowing. While physics revealed a universe of vibrating energies and invisible forces, he saw these not as final causes, but as expressions of a deeper intelligence, not unlike the nous of Neoplatonism or the logos in Christian theology. The ultimate foundation, in his view, was not particle or wave, but mind, consciousness itself. This resonates with the mystical path, which teaches that behind the shifting play of appearances lies a silent, luminous source. What makes Planck's insight so compelling is not that it turns science into spirituality, but that it subtly unites them in a deeper vision. A universe where the material is not discarded, but revealed as sacramental, a veil through which spirit shines. In an age that often divides science and spirit into opposing camps, Planck's voice reminds us that the boundary may be more porous than we think. Perhaps, as the mystics have long known, the world is not built from dead matter, but is animated by a living mystery, one that speaks not only in prayer, but in the silent language of light and form. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.